here is the app called Talk Now, text app number call. So calling and texting now. So yep, this is the app which you can try to install. It's recently getting a lot of popularity. So it's like second number phone calling. So yeah, let's just explore it together. So here is the app. And let's just create an account with Apple ID, so super fast. Oops, there is some authentication error. But yeah, let's just try again. Okay, so it works from the second time, so it's not super buggy. Of course, it's a bit buggy. Choose your preferences. How do you want to use it, for calling and texting or for verification service? And then get a new number for verification service, and then 20-minute pass. Then you need to buy these coins for 100 coins for $3. And then yeah, 20-minute pass. You need to still buy those, and then you will get this number. Then there is also a plan for $50 per year where you have full access, and then yeah, you can just get that. So yep, there's limited time offer for $8 per week. So then, for example, if I just want to create any here, then you can just see the number is capable of these services, not capable of receiving OTP code, MMS. And then if you want to get it, then unfortunately you need to upgrade. So you can't get a free US number here or second number for free. You need to pay, unfortunately. So that's just what it is. As you can see, that's what you have here. And there it is. So yeah, try that out.